Enhance, the maker of Tesla Sexy product, including the Tesla Sexy knob and the button, just released the wireless gear and turn signal stock for the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland, as well as the Model S and X that do not have gear and turn signal indicator, and it is absolutely game changer. The installation takes under 15 minutes. Let me tell you all about it today. Unlike a typical car or other Teslas, the 2024 Model 3 Highland doesn't come with any of the gear or turn signal indicator, as well as some of the Model S and X follow the same, where you are forced to use these buttons on the steering wheel to be able to do the lane changes. The issue with this approach is that you're forced to use these buttons, and if it is turned this way and you're trying to make the turn signal, then you don't know which one you are pressing here. You have to look, versus just a conventional turn signal, just up and down. That would be super easy. Also, for the gear selection, it says tap to activate reverse. It could be intuitive and smart, so you just tap here. It thinks I am trying to go reverse, but what if I wanted to go forward? If I wanted to go forward, then I would have to slide this up to drive, and then I would have to press here to park. Now imagine doing that, like reverse, and then you have to go forward quickly. That's not an ideal thing to do. Rather than just putting a stock right here, like a typical stock that goes between the drive and forward, they got rid of that. So this is what the Enhances product fixes today. Now, we have shown you products like this in the past that solves this issue, where it is a retrofit, exact original retrofit of other Teslas with the turn signal and gear. You put it on the Model 3 Highland. But the issue with this is these are bigger pieces, and this was not intended to have the original Tesla stock. So it just becomes a hassle of installation, and it is bulky. You have to use that plastic piece there. Don't get me wrong, this do really work, and people have been happy with it, those that you have installed, because you get the functionality of the turn signal and gear selection and everything. But the installation is very complicated because you actually have to remove this airbag. You have to actually remove this whole thing, go over there. There is a involved installation process that should take you in a couple of hours. You got to route the cable all the way from the front, and still it looks a little bit bulky because you need this piece that goes here. So that makes it a little bit of bigger, and it does the job, but it is a bulky and bigger installation until Enhance made theirs, and that is what is super exciting about this product. So what makes the Enhances product so much better than all the other solutions we have seen is because of the installation ease. You don't have to remove the airbag, you don't have to remove any of this, you don't have to route any wiring. It comes with a coin cell battery, and all you have to do is remove the adhesive cover and stick it right here, and that is your entire installation. How easy is that? To top it off, you can also program the stock to do whatever you want. So the reverse, the forward, if you don't want this button to activate windshield, you can do that. You can fully program it or keep it exactly like your other cars are what you're used to. So for me, I'm used to driving my Model Y and Model 3 interchangeably. My Model Y has fully stock. This one doesn't have a stock. I'm probably going to match exactly what my Model Y has so that all of the buttons and the functionality is exactly the same. But you can program this. Another benefit you get with Enhance is that it comes with periodic software upgrade. We have seen hundreds of updates pushed by Enhance, and we have showed you all of those major updates, and they add massive features to their update. So let's say if Tesla changes something to their code, and then if the knobs or the stock stop working or they don't function as usual, then they are on it. They will change that through over-the-air software update that just comes to your phone, and you can update it. This company is amazing, and we're super excited. We have called their product the best Tesla accessory ever, and we have reviewed hundreds of different products in the past, and it just gives me the trust that they're going to take care of it. Now, if you already have their V2 Commander, which is that triangular commander they released earlier in this year with the knob or the buttons, then you don't have to get anything else. You can just get the standalone stocks, and that's it. You can just paste the stock and it will start working. If you have the V1 Commander, which is the red Commander, then you are also going to need to upgrade to the V2 Commander, because the V2 is more capable and they can sense the signal and be able to fully control the Tesla. So the V2 Commander installation is again super easy. It takes less than 15 minutes. All you have to do is remove the side door panel there, and then over there you're going to see a OBD port. You can push that to the OBD port, and then there is a little wire that bypasses the 12-volt connector, and then you just have to install a Bluetooth module, and that's it. That's the entire installation process. If you have other products already installed to the OBD port, you can daisy chain install multiple products with no issue. I have done 4 or 5 different products on the OBD port with no issues at all, and that's your entire installation. Everything syncs up to your phone. All of your updates, all of the programming, all of the customization, you do it directly from your phone, and they are pushing update every couple of weeks these days, and it is amazing what they are able to add. With the recent update, they are able to add things like passenger seat profile. So you can set your passenger seat, and with just a click of a button or the knob here, here. You can change the passenger seat profile to that profile. It fully automatically adjusted. So many different cool things that enhances does, and super exciting. So the only thing sad about this is that I can't play with it today. I'm so excited, I want it now, but I'm gonna have to wait because this is on a pre-order state. They say that the earliest the deliveries will begin is sometime in February, so just a couple of months. They have discounted this product heavily for a limited time because for the early bird, if you want to take advantage of that. And on top of that, if you use our discount code Shiva Tesla during checkout, you're gonna stack the code, so you're gonna save even more. So this is already discounted for early folks. Now, if you use the discount code Shiva Tesla, you're gonna save even more. It is an affiliate code. We do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you. They already promised us that we're gonna be one of the first people they're gonna send this out so we can show you everything you need to know about this stock, do road testing, real life testing of everything, the programming. So if you don't want to miss that video, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Please comment below any questions, thought, feedback, any reaction to this video. Please comment those in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I'll be back again soon.